Yo, what is up, guys? It is Get Hyped Games back here with a brand new video. Hold on. Alright, there you go. So, today, guys, welcome to Get Hyped Games, guys. This is my brand new gaming channel I'm also known as on Cadence Vlogs. If you guys haven't, go check that out. Check that in the description down below and subscribe to this new channel. So, yeah, this is Get Hyped Games. This is gonna be my second video. Soon I'm gonna be working on a lot more videos. So, today, what we're going to be talking about is the brand new gaming setup that is going to be in production for a while. So now, if you guys don't know from my other channel, I have a beautiful, I don't even know. Alright, guys, so today, guys, I'm going to be going a little bit more in depth. Okay, so I'm going to be going a little bit more, I'm going to be going a little bit more in depth on like my whole setup, current. So if you guys don't know, I do have I have a problem of losing stuff lately. Here we go. I do have a Razer, a nice keyboard that I use. It's an MSI LED keyboard and a Corsair professional gaming mouse. I use a lot of gaming stuff, but currently, since that stuff runs on certain stuff while I'm redoing my computer, I'm using a couple of my other mouses right now. So I'm going to go over a little bit with what I'm going to be doing. Alright, so here's the deal. Here's what we're doing. So under my desk, first thing we're going to do is we're going to touch up. We have LEDs going under my desk and around my desk that we are going to be redoing a little bit. We're going to start off desktop. So desktop, then we're going to be looking at definitely doing a lot of cleaning of the monitors, maybe some more LEDs and that type of stuff. Then, if I can turn you guys without like messing you guys up, in this Amazon box right here, these are brand new blue and black wall tiles. So it'll be like diamond, blue, black, blue, black, diamond wall tiles that I'm going to be using for acoustics, audio tiles. So that stuff's pretty cool. I'm going to be using the stand for like my printer. So, okay, so then on top of that, now we're going to get into the more in-depth. So, alright, so what I'm going to be doing, I want to be able to run, so when I'm laying in bed behind me, I'm going to be looking at these monitors right here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a cable box under here, plugging into the wall. So I'm going to have a cord coming from the cable box to one of these TVs here. And then I'm going to have cable on one of these TVs so when I'm laying in bed. But sometimes when I'm with my friends, we want a bigger TV, which is why I have this giant TV over here. If you guys can even see that giant TV. And I'm going to be taking along, I do have it here, a giant, huge 60-foot cord, running it under the trim and over to that. So it's going to be pretty cool to have TV in two places. I'm going to love that. So going on to the more technical stuff. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be basically ripping everything out of my computer. Everything out of... Now a lot of you guys think the computer's like in there. No, this is my computer. This is the base of my computer, which is a Dell Inspiration. Not an i3, it's actually an i7. i7, I think. Or i7, I don't know. It's i5, yeah, i5. So I'm going to be taking all the guts out of there, and I'm going to be, well, first I'm going to get a new hard drive. I'm getting a 1 terabyte SSD. Now the difference between a hard drive, I like how I get to go nerdy out on this channel because this is a gaming channel. Normally on my regular channel I can't get too crazy. So what you have is an SSD and a hard drive. If I can not, okay. So you have an SSD and a hard drive. So this is the hard drive. So what the hard drive does is inside it has a bunch of moving little pieces. A picture like this. That's a picture of a hard drive. And this is a picture of an SSD, hard drive SSD. So the hard drive is big and bulky, right? So the reason why is because there's little pieces, kind of little things in there that's moving, kind of like a motherboard in a way. Everything's moving inside there. It's like a moving gearing, kind of, you could call it, like gears. You know, everything's moving, so it takes a little slower because it's all moving. Like I said, it's when you think of flip phone, everything's moving, and iPhones and all that, it's through electrical waves. It's kind of a way that you can think of it. So the SSD, which is obviously a lot smaller, what it does is it has no moving parts, so it's a lot quicker, so all of the stuff is just running right through it. It just goes right past it, so it speeds up my computer. Instead of having to go slow, like the hard drive. Obviously, it's smaller and it's more powerful and more efficient. Now, I'm not just getting it because it's smaller Because wait, no, I'm getting it because it works a lot better for that. So as I'm doing that, guys, I'm going to be changing it into a brand new computer case. This is my brand new Nautilus case. This thing's looking insane. So it has 2 LEDs in the front right there. It's got a see-through panel on the side, and it's got another, so there's 2 blue LEDs in the front. One in the back that's not LED, obviously, because you're not going to see it. Now, the problem is my motherboard on this computer only allows 1 fan. So I can get a splitter to have 2 fans. So I need to find a way to whether I need a new motherboard to get more fans. Because I have 2, 3. Might as well, if I get 2 more on the top, I'm going to have 5 total fans. I do have 16 gigabytes of RAM in it, so I don't know if I'll need more RAM. I have everything. I really just want to get an SSD. I might have to get a new motherboard to run all those fans. Hopefully I won't, but I don't think I will. Because normally the way that they work is, as long as I got RAM, now what the SSD is going to do is help open apps, run games. It's going to be pretty good, unless I decide to go and do something else. So the main problem we're looking at now is when it's working. So guys, I want to show you something cool. So the way that my computer is set up, I can open up my task manager right here. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, I got a little face cam going on right here. So I'm going to real quickly show you guys what's going on. So what you got here, guys, this is called a CPU, if you guys don't know. So my CPU is up right now because of I'm using my editor, or my screen recorder that uses a lot, because I'm working on my other screen recorder right now and perfecting all the problems and things with that. So I'm going to move you guys right here. Alright, so what we're going to be going through is CPU. So CPU basically is going to be kind of telling you in a way how hard your computer is working. So right now, the lower the percent, the better. Now mine averages around 14%, which is really good. As you guys can see the graph right here. That's before I started recording, and now that I'm recording, I went up like 20%. So a little angry, but that's because I'm using a very quality generated. I don't even know. Gotta dig my mics out. Right? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna be going through CPU. So basically, as you can see, mine is about 48% right now, which is pretty decent. Here, if it will let me. Will it let me? Does it let me go through here? Okay, it does. Hold on, wait a second. It does. Whatever. All right. So if I can go to the side real quick, hold up. Alright, so what basically this is showing is it's been running for 2 hours. That's why it's all. Oh my gosh, I'm just trying to open this. See real quick. So alright, so there we go. Alright, so CPU mine's at like 50 right now, which is it's a lot. And the reason that is because it's been on all day for 1. And for 2, it's heating up a little bit because it's in a case that I should. Anyway, but it's going to be in the new one soon. So CPU really, it runs at about 18 without using an editor like this. When I'm listening to music, it runs about 18 games. It runs at about this. So it's just pretty good. So like I said, once I'm getting my new SSD, it's going to be helping a lot. I feel like I talked about the moving of the SSD. I think I did. Okay. So yeah, SSD is quicker, obviously. This is the CPU right here. It's up a little bit, so this is basically going to drop down to about right there, which is perfect. But the thing is, my NVIDIA, the GeForce, it's only taken 4%. This should be taking a lot more. It should be up a lot more, which I thought maybe it's just the deal with the new Windows. This should be taking a lot, and this shouldn't. It should be like almost opposite. So again, that's stuff that's going to be fixed soon, very soon. So when I get the new case and the new SSD and maybe a new motherboard, it is going to help everything so much. So excited. Okay, so what the process is basically it's going to be telling me what is using all of my CPU right now. So this is the same for CPU. So see, screen recorder, that's what's using 34% of the CPU. That's why the CPU is up so high. The rest, Windows, all this is all low. I was going to say memory, these are up a little bit, which memory doesn't matter. I have so much memory. I can show you guys some of my memory right here. I'm at 4.2 of a 16 gigabyte, which for my hard drive is a terabyte. So it's a terabyte hard drive. this is just my memory. So so yeah, see, a lot of it's kind of based on that. So I can show you guys like my startup. This is what uses automatically powers up when I start up. Sometimes I don't want this to. I don't know, but blur that face out. Okay, so I'm just trying to think. So yeah, that's basically a lot of what's going on with the computer aspect of everything. So a lot of that CPU is going to go down as it goes. So like I said, this CPU is basically going to be going down a lot. So that's basically CPU. I want you guys to know a lot of what's going on. So see, I have a Core i5, which is perfect. So like I said, a lot of that's going to go down, especially when we have the new SSD and when I put some of my games on this nice. I got another hard drive. I got this little hard drive right here that I'm going to put some stuff on. So it should work like that. I'm going to go back to the camera real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, with the PC plan, there's a lot going into it. So like I said, you're going to have a lot of stuff going on in the computer. That's insane. In this Intel box right here, there's some prizes in there that you guys will find out about in a little bit. Soon I'm going to be working on the project. Now that I got my camera in use right now, the big giant project is going to be coming good. Guys, you guys have done so good. You guys actually, if you guys don't watch my vlog channel, you guys have got my friend Dead Zone up to 5 subs, which I said if you guys did that, I would do an insane doing your dares video. So I said I would be able to do that, and I think I'm going to be doing that on my other channel. Get him up to 10 subs, and I'll do something else crazy that's going to be really nuts. So you guys, so basically that's really it. I mean, I could show you some of these wall tiles, so yeah, the setup is going to be in a while. There's a lot to do. This is a lot of work. This isn't going to be done until August, which it kind of stinks this whole summer. But this summer the gaming channel is actually not going to be in use a lot because I'm going to be in Michigan a lot. We'll see though. I'm just trying to think. We got the Xbox hooked up in the TV over there. So a lot of the stuff's doing pretty good right now. I'm just working on a lot of stuff lately. My brain just hurts right now. But there's a lot of stuff for this giant project. There's a lot more than you guys think behind the scenes. Some surprises that you guys aren't gonna know about that are gonna be really cool. But like I said, I wanted some of it to be a surprise. But this is gonna be like a lot of blood, sweat, and tears going into this giant project right here. This is going to take so long. And if you guys have any other suggestions of what I should use into my computer or some video ideas, put it down in the descriptions what else I could use to speed up my computer. Please don't be sarcastic. But once I get the SSD, I think I'm going to be set. So guys, that's basically the wrap up for this, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. This is Get Hype Games, so I can't do my what should be my outro for Get Hype Games. I'm going to be making an outro for this channel. I'm gonna get on the grind in a minute, but I'll just do these Gold Guinness vlogs.